if you guys are in the market for the best calipers, like at a good price, I got you guys. I found this bad boy on Amazon. As you can see, I got a Harbor Freight one here just to compare with the quality. Oh yeah, even the finish is much different. And if I turn this Harbor Freight one around, is rough. And I've had that for years, but I take care of it though. But check out the finish on this one. They are both digital. This one doesn't work because the little batteries that come with these little things, they just burn out all the time. Like, yeah, I got tired of that. So I said, hey, you know what? I'm going to give me a nicer set of calipers. Nothing too expensive, but at least something decent, you know. So I was willing to pay 30, 40 bucks. I think I paid like 28 or something, maybe 21 for this. I don't know. They got a 15% off coupon from what I just saw. And they also are going at $32, so $32 take off that. And depends, if you're a Prime member, you might even get a discount on it. I know I got it on this, so. But anyways, check this out though. This one is digital with a larger screen compared to like these cheaper stuff. And what really makes this thing shine is when you're working in the dark, like sometimes I am at the lathe over there working in the dark like a demon. I need to have some illumination, especially when it's something like digital. So just to give you a, let me go ahead and get in a little bit of darkness here. As you can see, it doesn't really, yeah, you can see the numbers fade. But what makes this shine though is the backlight on that. Look at that. Isn't that cool? That is really cool. Yeah, so I mean, it has the same functions as this Harbor Freight one. It has the millimeters, inches, and fractions, but that backlight, wow, that just makes this stand out. I love it. And then the thing about this though, because I do take care of my calipers, I clean them all the time, and they even send you a little rag for that. And they even send you the little screwdriver so you can take off the big battery that they put in these. So it does come off with 2 little screws. You pull that thing out and it takes a 2032 battery. And yeah, this thing is freaking awesome. I love this little thing. It's got a smooth slide and everything. I still got to get used to the numbers and the markings on this, because I'm already used to these older ones, because I do work a lot with metrics. So as you can see there, this one always did come in handy when the battery died on this. But with the battery dies on this, I'm eyeballing that more or less. I don't know, I think the ruler on this is nicer, but yeah, I still love it though. And the battery on this is going to last a lot longer, just because they needed a bigger battery for that light. But I'm pretty sure if you don't use the light too much, he'll get way longer use than what this thing would. But yeah, I just love this thing. I'm going to have a link for you guys, and if I can find any cheaper ones, I'll throw the links on there. And if you find this video useful and you're into you're looking for a new caliper, this might be the one for you. So yeah, if you can if you end up buying it, go through the link so I can get a little bit of change for showing you guys something strange. No, I'm kidding. This is really awesome though. I mean, just look at that shine. It's a good finish. It's got the little depth gauge and all that stuff. So yeah, I love it. I think one of the better deals at Amazon. I'm pretty sure you're gonna find other sellers. Oh yeah, they do make this with a blue backlight. I think I got this green because it's just brighter. To me, it looks, it's good for my eyes. But anyways, I hope you guys go out and grab one of these if you're a hobby machinist or whatever. But it's always good to have a set of calipers on you anyways. But that's it for this video. I want to thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys on the next one.